Hello friends, so I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sor YouTube channel. In this video, I am sharing the best 5 ways to make money from internet if you are a beginner programmer. It is always been so hard for new programmers to find a way to monetize their programming skills. Many of them have no idea where to start or even what to do with their skills. Whenever you learn a programming language, there are lots of sources in the internet for a programmer to make revenue. So there are the 5 ways which you can make money online with your coding skills. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is become a freelance developer. Freelancer is the most popular portal which allows you to bid on projects. There are lots of projects in Freelancer, but as high as the projects, there are lots of bidders also, which makes freelancer a tough platform to survive. But once you get good reviews, it's very easy to get projects. You just have to keep an eye on those jobs listing pages and apply before the others to get a better chance for selection. TopTal is a great platform for skilled freelancers in the world of cheap and fast. The best may not get best rates, but at TopTal, they assure great rates and only quality work. The salary depends on the task you are doing and the time it takes to complete. But if you get to 2 to 3 projects a day, you are good to go. It helps you to build a relationship with your clients and enhance your skills. The next thing is develop a personal website. This is another way of making income online. You can share your programming ideas and tips through your website. That means a blog. Create your own blog and write articles about the topic you are interested in. Research a lot about the particular topic to satisfy your readers. In fact, you are branding it yourself. You will get lots of reach in between programmers and other people of common interest. Share your portfolios to inside the website. Reply to the comments and clarify the doubts of the visitors regularly. This kind of interactions makes you popular in the circle, and amount of trust rises day by day, which brings you income and clients in many ways. Google AdSense is one of the biggest source of online income. Deliver good quality content and you will get good click-through rates. Advertisement, you can sell a link or banners in your websites once you get some traffic. The third one is create a YouTube channel. If you start a YouTube channel and earn by ads, YouTube pays money to content creators for views. The fourth one is develop games and applications. Game development got lots of scopes. You can develop games and sell them in the market. You can also develop Android, iOS games and sell in the market. You can also make your own project and sell them online. For example, you can create web templates and UI. Make sellable stuff as themes, plugins, add-ons, courses, extensions, etc. Or maybe create free ones and earn by ads donations. The fifth one is become an online instructor. Becoming a computer instructor is another way to enhance your programming skills. Many schools, colleges, and institutes are looking for guest faculties. You can apply for the job if you are eligible. If you are only interested in working online, you can also create your online courses and upload them to different mediums like Udemy, YouTube, or your own blog. So that's all about some of the best ways to make money online if you are a beginner programmer. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share your friends and also give comments. Thank you for visit. Have a nice day.